Morning. What's up? Ready? Are y'all all ready for this tournament? Paddleboard tournament? Tackle Shack tournament? Let's do it, baby.
What's going on?
Man, what up, bro? See it.
East of 35.
Heard a lot about this store, man.
Yeah. Check it out,
I
man.
might just go there.
Nope,
Take it
not
in.
gonna do it. I'm
But
not
I can make it all the
spending
way
any
up
money
to,
today.
like, First Street or Congress. I think that's what
Actually,
I
I'm
want
gonna
to
spend some money.
This place smells like import America. I got rubber in here for my jig.
A skirt?
Rubber.
What's he saying?
Rubber. Not silicone. All of it's silicone. Rubber, like you put on your hog. Rubber. That's silicone.
Oh, rubber skirt.
Look for the Florida Hammer, Brett Cannon.
I just figured it out.
Dude, they don't even know what's coming. He's supposed to be reeling a speed worm over him. Like, this is...
They can have their glides. I'm doing some Florida stuff.
And their dice. They've never even seen this.
That's it. I'm just gonna hit those. That same stretch.
Just do it.
Yeah.
No, I think take it home, David. Take it home, big dog.
I hope so. It's cloudy too. Overcast. That's money.
Little release coming. 10:30.
I call the mayor right now.
I'm calling, dude.
Open it, bro.
I called the governor, dude.
Have it.
Hit the button, big dog. Release.
I don't
Spin
eat
the
them
game.
fuzzy wiener strips over a rubber jig.
Yeah, that'd be cool. It'll be a good time. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun.
It's gonna be sick. For sure, dude.
But put this on.
Welcome to Tequila 512. Getting ready to do a little local versus out of town challenge here, or local versus pros. Want to shout out Brock here from Tequila 512, getting us squared away with our paddle boards. We give yourself have a good weekend, man. Best of luck. Thank you, man. Yeah, thank y'all.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Y'all too.
Oh, where we going? We're taking these paddleboards back in the backwaters, baby.
We can catch big fish in downtown Austin. Awesome, isn't it?
It's an expensive paddleboard hauler.
No way y'all got the last parking spot, dude.
You call boys here. We are grinding, boys.
What's up, guys? We're here at Lake Lady Bird in downtown Austin. It's the first annual You Call vs. Tackle Shack paddleboard tournament. Never been on a lake. I think I've only been on one of these once in my life, but we got called out. They think we're scopers here, and we're about to show them how we can go old school. I got 2 U calls in my hand, 7.5 heavy and a 7.3 heavy. Gonna do some punching and roll a speed worm around, maybe throw a frog, but limited on tackle, so I think this 1-2 setup is gonna be killer. And I'm about to show them I can catch some giants here at Lady Bird. There's a vibe down here, boy.
Let's go. slither rig.
Any good ones?
One 18 2.5, 18 T5, and then I got a 14 so far. Yeah, I think once 1 o'clock hits, it gets real hot. You know if they caught the fish?
Chapman, when have we got in?
Chapman?
3 casts in, 18.
Nice. Okay, so we're sitting good. I got bite. What? Woo! Kitty cat. You got a kitty? No way. On the fucking slithering? That's crazy. Everybody's been catching cats, dude. Does this count?
I don't think so.
I got bite. That's a good fish. Let's go. I think that's gonna put me 19.
I think the Tackle Shack boys got it in the bag, baby. Hell yeah.
5.
It's all about the Tackle Shack, baby. All it is.
Get him. Got him. Got him. Big? Yep, giant. Giant. Oh my god. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him.
I told you I was going in. I told you I was going in. I started cramping, so I said, you know what? I'm gonna stand up and flip this mat. I called it. I said, if I get a bite, I'm falling in. I got a bite, and I didn't know it was gonna be this big, and she pulled me in. The end.
This was such a fun idea. I hope this like grows into something crazy.
Damn, that was a
Update. It's going good. We're catching fish. We were hoping to catch them offshore down the lake. We got cloudy weather and we went to some heavy cover and they're biting. I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. It looks right. It almost looks too good. We didn't know if it'd work, but it's working. We're gonna keep at them. We're gonna hunt some big mamas.
Well, Lady Bird finally provided. It's a good one. I think it'll keep. I mean, it's probably better than what some of the other guys are catching, given our current condition. I'm not real pleased with Lady Bird at the moment. Thought it was going to be better than this, but I guess little homie shivering or whatnot. Blow him off, see him tuck down. That's how you know he's real one. Stay tucked, stay locked in, so you never got to get locked in. That's bigger.
Bro, that's why the little rocking baits work.
On the dot. Thank you, you call Tackle Shack. Let the fish go.
Doing work in the mats, boys. Tender, jerked her out of there, slid her up on this paddleboard to say hi. That's all there is to it. Ladybird's turning around. Huz is cheering for me. They already know. She's fat. 18 3/4. A little bit more on board. There you go. 18 3/4. Easy.
The word on the water is that you don't pull the 4.
19.5.
Oh yeah, you're on.
Dare I say, jigsaw summer?
Didn't I say he's gonna stay right here?
Dude, I went all the way up to the power plant, back, and I just came back to here, second cast. Amazing. Oh, you're good. I'm just gonna slide up to this right piling over here.
Nice one! No, Jeff!
I hope that was on camera.
That's Chandler.
All done, baby. What time we got? We got 2:58, clocking in early today.
Yeah.
Woo! Let's go see what the boys got. Hopefully we won. If there's a legitimate picture, we win. If there's no legitimate picture,
Oh, good video there. There we go.
what do you mean? It's
No,
all the way.
it's going all the way up.
You call, guys. I did good out there.
I can't believe it leads down to this controversy when everyone had a camera by
Yes, sir. Yeah.
We gave it
Hey, man.
Isn't Ladysburg hard?
What's going on, y'all? We got John D back. Did you guys catch anything?
We weren't actually fishing.
But did you get good footage?
Yeah, we got good footage.
Yeah.
Yeah, he went swimming. We got some underwater footage.
What do you mean so tight? The cameraman says no?
It was great footage. It was
Fish
fantastic.
would have been better.
You put some filters on it.
It's true.
You came out here with a purpose.
Yeah. Maybe like a dog. We accomplished that. If you set the board too high and you're like, I want to go out there and catch a 10 pounder, then ultimately I'm going to be out here for weeks. So it's just not going to happen.
He was throwing the baits without any hooks.
Especially since we're selling live minnows now.
Dude, you're gonna get this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's all you had to say, and I come down here a whole lot. Live minnows and night crawlers. That's all I need.
But yeah, we got going in the dark ones.
They have a paddleboard tournament. Is that what the?
That's what they did.
Nice.
Yeah.
What was the outcome?
We won.
You won?
Yeah, Tackle Shack. The Tackle
Oh.
Shack, it was Tackle Shack
Okay.
customers today versus their squad, and then there's a restart of it tomorrow.
Nice.
So if we take it the dub tomorrow, then it's in the books. If
Super.
we don't, it goes to Flip Cup or so you can also just spend the night and represent.
Andrew keeps it fun around here.
Celebrity shot.
Celebrity shop. Dude, this is so sick. It smelled like there was snapper out there. I was stuffing my face with it. Dude, I smell like Grant coming back from Philly.
Like a regular.
Oh yeah, whichever blonde I guess it is. Whoop. 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 Whoopsies.
Like 6 inch surface.
Top down grass.
This is legit.
The cave baits.
Well, the other thing with the bunker is like
That's crazy, bro.
they're all resin.
You could literally just make a living off of having that right there.
Come on, it's your old
California hole.
Here you go. Put shades on.
Put your shades on. Oh baby, watch out. X-ray vision. Let's get it, John. Oh, I don't think so.
Can you even grab it in that position?
It's gonna be tough.
Go get him, Blue.
Look.
Oh. Now it's moving.
Peace, Rudy. Hey, you're out?
You gone, bro?
Hey,
Big dog.
good day.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to get Edward on there for good luck. Just two.
Look at all my first time. There's like been 8 guys.
I was raw on it, dude.
Needs to give lessons paddleboard.
Oh, baby.
Fishing part.
That's pretty sweet.
You can't do that. I got it.
Where's the weight limit?
I
didn't do anything.
Y'all go ahead. See, I'm telling you, it's me, baby. It's me.
Hey, can you touch me? Give me a little. Morning. You get the dub today?
Dude, I'm ready, dude. I'm ready to at least catch some fish and get some numbers in for us. That's the goal.
Okay.
This is what I'm gonna be throwing today. This is sauce. Chapman tied this jig, and we got a kite
2, 3.
These are actually, they don't make these anymore.
You got another
so
one?
If you have these, you're kind of lucky on it. So we do have some of these on it. Gonna throw this, gonna throw the free rig, and if the bite's good, maybe throw a frog. So that's just what we're trying to do right now, and
It's a big one.
hopefully we get on some bites and
I gotta
put these U-Call boys down.
What's going on, y'all? It's Luke Wanger here with the team over at U-Call. We're out here on Lady Bird Lake for the Tackle Shack X U-Call tournament. We're out on the paddleboards today. This is day 2.
Man, we're behind a little bit, 8 inches back, but love a good comeback story. Gonna be punching all day, got a little rattle in it, try to wake them up, catch some big ones.
All right, hey, I'm Troy Fowler and I'm fishing with the U-Call guys today. Don't tell anybody, but if you punch off about 1/3 of a Cinco and flip that and punch with it, they eat it. Put it on a punch rig, 755 heavy. This reel's a 7.5 to 1, 50-pound white braid because I'm old and blind and I can't see my line.
I'm gonna be throwing the 755 Eclipse today with 50-pound braid, ounce tungsten, and a little beaver bait and see what we can't make happen. So stay tuned. We'll see what we can't do today.
Bring in your bench player.
Designated hitter.
I said I'm bringing in your bench player.
Hey, best next thing to Grant.
That is the paddleboard crusader right there.
A little closer. Okay.
You ready, Mr. Mike?
Ready.
Are you locked in? Come on, bring it home.
Let me get my net.
Yeah, give me a net.
Let's go, baby.
It's U-Call against Tackle Shack day 2. First day, we did pretty good. Second day, hopefully I can do better. This time I'm gonna have a fish in a couple minutes, hopefully. And it's gonna cut to me not getting a fish the whole time. But just kidding. We're locked in, we're ready to just have fun and catch some fish and just go out there and smack them.
Line's in!
Hey, let's go, baby. Let's go.
That's an 18 and a 3/4, almost like.
Hey, first fish of the morning, 19 incher. We have a great start. I mean, that was 5 flips in. Feeling dialed, like, them boys better watch out. Underdogs. Let's go, baby.
Beautiful ladybird bass.
Let's go.
Caught this joker punching with the U-Call Eclipse 755. Straight 50-pound braid. She gave me a good little tug back. Not the ones I'm used to, but still fun. Back in the grass where she belongs.
Trent's not here.
What's that?
Trent's not here. He's good luck mojo.
I know. Y'all have to be my good luck today. Trying a free rig Emicontu 110 Java Gill.
Oh really?
Yeah. Sorry, Mike. What's up, team? This is Jared, Tackle Shack. We're gonna try to lay it down today. No speedo needed yet.
Bring out the good luck K9. I assume they'll get a glide today. Today's usually a good glide day.
Oh, Edward's on.
Come on, grass.
Oh, you like grass?
No, I'm on a big. I'm on a fucking
Dude,
big.
give him the rod! Give him the fucking rod!
Jared, here.
No, don't hit! Get into the fucking flip it!
Nice! That's what I'm fucking talking about! That's what I'm saying, baby. That's why they call me the green fish Chicano, baby.
You're not supposed to be fishing, Edward.
I'm not, but I'm having fun with my people. That's a good one, dude. What's that? Jared. Citizen 7? Citizen 7, baby. Love it. Black on black, baby. Come on.
You got your board?
Yeah, I got my board. Mikey!
Sorry, I got this one.
Well, I mean, he's fun fishing, so. Yeah. Marshall!
It's over 18.
Oh, don't wait on
it's
that
over 18.
board. Got my, okay. There we go, that's legit right there. 22 and a half. Beautiful fish, my guy. I knew I was gonna pull her. I knew I was gonna pull her.
Is that a good one?
No, it was about 14 inches long. He was going 117 miles an hour. He was a little guy, too. But it's an inches game.
Yep.
Damn it. Not much of one.
It is one though.
0 to 1. There you go, my monster. Got a long arm him.
We got on a little deep hole on a grass flat. There's a tree over there. It's like 16 foot under the mat. And this is the 4th fish to come out of it. Got lucky. It's crunch time. 5 minutes left. U-Call clips, 755, straight 50-pound braid. Gave her the beans. This rod might be a little short for what most people would think of for a punching rod, but it handles it just fine. It gets them out of the grass, no big deal. And it's a 4.5, 5-pounder, and it bullied her to the boat, or I guess paddleboard.
Big! I'm on the way! Dude, I want you to see this fish.
Look, this fucking dead over here. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. I mean, when you're hitting high spots, it ain't. I bet it ain't right there. Look. 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 Yeah! What the fuck? What the fuck?
Yeah, hold your fish, bro.
Yeah, I gotta start it.
Giant out, show him what's up.
So I'm at a tackle shack desert.
Yes, sir.
Let's get in here, baby.
Bro, never caught a fish out here on Lady Bird. First one.
First fish?
First fish out here.
The cameraman pulled a tie out of chatterbait. Smack!
What is
Mike,
it when the
come here.
cameraman outfishing everybody?
Look at that. Good shit, bro. Put this in the water. Put him like that.
4-2 back to back, bro. 2 back to back.
Caught it. I caught it. It doesn't count. He caught it.
Scared the shit out of y'all, right?
That's how we do it. Tackle Shack, baby. Austin, Texas, baby. City side. Who never knew you can catch fish that big in downtown Austin? Make y'all believers. Check us out, Tackle Shack. My fam, you know, we did so good out here today. You know, after everything that goes on during the week, to come out here with Andrew, of all people, bro. This man works too much. We need to get him out here more. So, y'all guys come out to the Tackle Shack, help us out, get this man on some water. He needs it.
It actually truly makes me happy to see folks like Micah catch fish. Hold the camera. Micah, come over here. I asked Micah, I said, hey Micah, Trent's out of town. You mind coming out and filming for us? He had showed me some of the work that he does for the NCAA, some Cotton Bowl?
Yes, sir.
Cotton Bowl. And it was great pictures. I'm like, hey man, we'd like to just have you come out and film for us. And hey, you got blessed.
Big
God bless.
Sunday.
You're out there throwing around.
Yeah, throwing
You hooked up. What, least expectations of hooking up. You're drinking your water, not thinking that you're gonna get a fish on that cast.
At all.
And then all of a sudden, tell me what happened.
Shoot, I'm over here just yo-yoing the chatterbait. Andrew asked me, hey, you want a water? Hey, for sure, I'll take it. I'm trying to open it. I feel my rod just jumping. I'm like, that ain't no damn grass. So I pulled up, and sure enough.
You saw that thing jump? You're like, whoop, whoa, what the
They say just boat flip it, Jumps out the sky or out the water. Oh no, I'm grabbing that joint. So shoot, we got it done. 8:13?
No, 8:15.
8:15.
We'll see if it lost an ounce. It was taking a poop earlier.
Man, great day though. First fish out here on Lady Bird Lake.
We had no net. I gave the net to one of our paddle boarders and just scooped that thing up, huh?
Man, great catch.
Good stuff, man.
For sure.
You gonna be out here again with us?
For sure. All the time.
All right.
One little fucking dog. Hey, Hey, dude, you Cowboys got it done, baby. Somehow.
Good work.
You get lucky once.
I didn't even have a hook on my lure and we still won.
All right. Totals.
Good shit.
Cast net.
Totals. Tackle Shack.
156.75.
All right, that's Tackle Shack Saturday and Sunday's total.
195.25.
Give me one more time, Edward.
195.25.
Who won this thing? You call International Rods. Congrats, man.
Go check them out at Tackle Shack downstairs.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
These guys are not from here. These guys are known for fishing big waters across the U.S., the southern states, West Texas. They are some of the best guides fishing these big waters on big boats. Beautiful people, great group, beautiful rigs. They came down here though to fish some new water, some territory they've never been at, on some paddle boards that Marshall's kind of created this scene throughout the world at this point. And they wanted to fish with the guys who do it right. We give thanks to Andrew for putting all this together. So, folks, Caden,
thank you.
It's been a pleasure, brother.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Hey, and at the end of the day, live scope, no live scope, we all love bass fishing. So
Where it's at.
Yes, sir.